In this method, we will show you how to increase the range of your Wi-Fi signals. We will add a wireless access point to an existing network. This is our basic setup. The wireless router is connected to the internet via modem. For computers far away in the network, the signal strength may be weak. To overcome it, this is what we plan to do. We will add an access point. An access point is a device that allows other devices to connect wirelessly. The role of an access point on a LAN is to give the wireless users a doorway to enter. First, I have set an internet connection to my laptop with a wireless router. The SSID of my wireless router is router. When I am 2 rooms away, about 45 meters, the RSSI value is around -60 dB. Let's increase the Wi-Fi strength. I will take another router and set it as an access point. The router is connected to the modem. To do this, we have to configure our router. Type the IP address of the router, which is our default gateway, in the address bar of the browser and hit enter. This will redirect you to the router setup page. Go to the wireless tab. Select use as an access point. The router will be configured to act as an access point by passing all the routing and firewall function. Enable it. At this stage, the router will get another IP address that is specific, as it is now access point and no longer a router. It is time to add the reconfigured wireless access point to our architecture. Disconnect it from the modem and connect it to the wireless router using an Ethernet cable. Make sure that the Ethernet cable goes into the LAN port of the access point and not into the internet or the WAN port of the access point. The access point is now placed to a suitable position by extending the Ethernet cable. Connect your client computer to another LAN port of gateway in order to obtain an IP address from your router. Let's place the client computer again to the previous far away location. Search for new network and connect the new wireless access point to our network. The SSID of the access point is Harkirat. You can clearly see the difference in the RSSI value. For signals coming from the router, the RSSI value is around -60 dB, while the signals coming from the access point has RSSI value of about -40 dB. The difference is clearly illustrated by the graph.